Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to do a room tour, and I want to shout out Mood Candy for helping inspire me to get a little more organized. Now this isn't where I want to be, but I figured I'll do an update video later down the road. And I'm going to start on this side of the room. So I have this thing, this shelf. What happened was I had two of those, and then in the center, I had a rack where I had everything hanging up on this wall. But it gave out, so I had to get rid of the middle section, and I just kept one of them, and that's holding all my Etsy inventory. It's not super nice and organized, but it's the best I can do right now. So there's my one rack full of all my stuff that's on my store. And then there's like a half rack here. Down there is some overflow. I have all my beads right here. And I plan to do a candy tour with those probably this spring or summer. We'll go through them. And then over here I have more Etsy inventory. Right here is where I make my YouTube videos. This is full of my charms. We're not going to go in my closet because that's a hot mess express, but up there, some more inventory. Now, all this stuff you see hanging on my doors used to be on those racks that gave out. And then there's my toy box and overflow of beads. That's where I package all my orders. Down there is some overflow stuff I still need to organize, but I'm getting there. And then my sewing machine. I have some more beads and odds and ends over there. And then the candy, those are projects that I'm working on. Some rave pictures and some more Etsy inventory. And then I have my mannequins. She's not dressed, I'm sorry. Oh, and then down here is all my singles that I make to give away with my orders or when I go to parties. But yeah, I'm gonna step back here so you can see a little better. But yeah, that's what my room looks like right now. Hopefully I can get a little more organized. We'll do an update later. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. See you next time.